So the last thing I'm going to teach you how to do is something that's very, very common in granny squares. So I'm going to show you my granny square work right here. If we look at the way it looks, oops, sorry, it's backwards. If we look at the way it looks, do you see how it's very gappy? And you see how the stitches, if we look closely, are in between the gaps to help make it gappy? Well, the way that we're doing that is we're crocheting into the chain one space. So I'm going to have you do that on the work that we're doing. So remember, last time we ended with a chain one. Now we're going to yarn over, and instead of going into any stitch, we're going to go into a chain one space. So if we look closely at our work, the next chain one space, if we look at the next space that we would chain would be right here, right? That's the V, and we would poke through. You'll notice it's a lot harder to poke through that because it's just a loop. It's not actually any other chain. It's just a chain one stitch. So we're not going to do that. We're going to yarn over, and see that gigantic hole right there? We're going to go right through that. So we're going to go straight through to the other side. We're going to yarn over so that the yarn's in the front, and we're going to pull up a loop and do the same thing we've been doing. Chain through two and pull through two. Just like that. So to get more practice, let's do that again. We're going to do 3 in every hole. So we're going to yarn over, go to the back of the hole, make sure the yarn is in front of the hook like this, pull up a loop, and now we've got 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, poke through the hole, yarn's in the front, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we're going to move on to the next one. We don't have to do a chain one if we don't want to, so we're not going to. Yarn over, poke through the hole, poke out the back, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do 2 more in that same space. Yarn over, poke through the back, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, poke through the hole, grab the yarn in the back, just like that, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to do it again in the next hole, in the next gap. Chain one space is what it's called in the works when you read patterns online. So there's the chain one space right here. So we're going to yarn over, poke through, grab the yarn, pull up. Now we've got 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more in that space, so yarn over, poke through, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, poke through the hook, pull back up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One last gap right here. Yarn over, poke through the next hole, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 or 2 more, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 more, yarn over, poke through the chain one space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So now, if you look at what we did before, it's really gappy. And you know how we did that was with the chain 1. So we didn't do a chain 1 in this one, but there still are gaps in between, and that's where you would work for in between these. So I want you to do them on your own, and I'll come back in the next video and I'll show you how you tie off.